In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 simple steps that are going to help you fixing your iPhone if it doesn't charge. Let's get into it. What's up guys, I'm Shaq and this channel is all about the best tech tips, fixes and hacks. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss my next video. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your cable still works, okay? Try switching to a different cable or try connecting the same cable to a different iPhone and see if it works. If it doesn't work, make sure you get your cable replaced first. An easy way to check whether the problem lies in your cable or not is to wag the cable, okay? Try moving the cable around and see if it connects and disconnects. If it keeps connecting and disconnecting, chances are that the problem lies in your cable. Try replacing the adapter as well and see if you get a better result. Step number 2 is basically doing a hard restart on your iPhone. A hard restart is super easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it in different iPhone models. Okay, so let's start with the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus models. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, all you need to do is press the volume down along with the power button together. Okay, so you need to press it continuously. You need to keep on pressing them until you see the Apple's logo on your screen. Okay, once you see the Apple's logo, you're going to release all the buttons and you're going to wait for your phone to reboot. Okay, your phone is going to start automatically, and that's all you need to do for the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. On iPhone 8 or later models, all you need to do is tap once on the volume up and quickly tap on volume down and then press the power button. Okay, so you're going to press the power button until you see the Apple's logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple's logo on your screen, you're going to release the power button. If you have an iPhone 5, 6, 6S or SE, all you need to do is just press the home button along with the power button. Keep pressing it until you see Apple's logo on your screen. If this doesn't fix either, we're going to step number 3, where you need to be gentle while performing it. On step number 3, you're going to need a toothpick. Okay, I would recommend you guys to use a toothpick. If you guys want to replace the toothpick by something else, make sure that it's made up of wood or that it doesn't conduct any sort of current. Okay, try getting something that doesn't conduct current. Okay, so you're going to take the toothpick, okay, and you're going to insert it inside of your port. Okay, so you need to be gentle. Do not apply a lot of pressure, otherwise the toothpick might break and stay stuck inside of your port. So just be gentle while performing it and clean the port inside it. This is the movement that you need to do. The idea is to remove as much dust as possible from your port. Okay, this is something that you need to do on a regular basis because normally our phones get exposed to a lot of dust outside and this just stays inside their phones. Okay, so we need to clean it. I personally do this every 6 months, even if my phone works fine, just to prevent it from getting to that state where it doesn't charge at all, because it's awful. Keep going with the movement. This should take you approximately 10 to 15 minutes. You need to be patient. Keep removing as much dust as you can. And at the end, your phone should be working. Try connecting the cable, the charging cable into your phone and see if your phone is charging. If this fix really helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as it helps me in growing this channel and reaching more people interested in this topic. Like the video, leave a comment below. See you in the next one.